How would you like to learn how to create an animated video or explainer video to promote your product or services? If so, you need to watch until the end of this video. In this video, you can create a killer video that can captivate and convert leads into buyers without being on a camera like this. So stay tuned. Herbert Flores here from IamHerbertFlores.com, helping you how to start and how to have a profitable home-based business. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button on this video. So right now, I would like to introduce to you my friend Matthew, wherein he will introduce to you this amazing tool that I am using. I'm using this more than a year, okay? So it helps me a lot, and I got a lot of sales on promoting my physical products and also promoting some affiliate products by creating review product video through the use of this amazing software. So Matthew, can you tell us about this software and how this software can help people?
Thank you, Herbert. VideoBuilder is a groundbreaking video animation app that is unlike anything you may have seen before. The end user gets our fully flexible animation video canvas to create motion animation videos, explainer videos, 3D avatar explainer videos, intros, outros, lower thirds and more using one easy-to-use web-based app compatible on both Windows and Mac computers. VideoBuilder provides a total solution for pro-quality video. It handles the entire video creation, editing and rendering process from A to Z. And despite its incredible array of features, it's still easy enough for anyone to use, even total newbies. With its cutting-edge video canvas creation capabilities, animation, text and visual effects, 3D avatar creation, video editing and our revolutionary lifelike text-to-speech lip-sync technology. Watch this quick demo by Herbert.
So right now we are here inside the Builder app software, okay? So before we start to create a video on VideoBuilder, you must prepare first your files that you need to use. Okay, set all those files on a one folder. Okay, then you need a script and also images or video background for the video. Okay, so you can create a video in this VideoBuilder in any niche, whether you are promoting a product, you are presenting your business opportunity, so anything you can create. Okay, even and also if you don't have a good voice or even you are shy, so you can use this software. Okay, so first step, what I am doing is I click this avatar. Okay, so there's a lot of avatar here, so you can use a female or male. Okay, just select one. Okay, so right now I will select male. Okay, so you can select the whole body or the half body only. So let's select this half body only. Okay, then click next. Then after that you can text to speech, or you can record your voice, or you can, if you already have the recorded audio, okay, your own audio, so you can upload. Okay, or you can record. So right now I will import my script here, so import speech. Okay, then you can select the language. So we have a lot of language here, so there's no Filipino here, so only English, so you can select English. Then you can select, because I choose the male avatar, so I will select Matthew, or you can select Joey, so it's up to you. So let's select Matthew. Okay, then I will paste the script here. So let's open my script. Okay, so I already prepared my script. Okay, so if you are promoting affiliate product, so you can open the email swipe, so you can copy the email swipes, the script. Okay, then you can edit. And okay, so I already created this script. Then what I need to do is I will copy this one and paste it here. Okay, so you can paste up to 10,000 words. Okay, so these words only 1,671. Okay, so after that, you click the import speech. Okay, so you just wait. So after that,
how would you like to earn $100 to $500 sales without websites by pulling
so you
traffic?
can
Will you
listen.
be interested? You need to watch this short video. Hi, my name is Joey, from Smartpreneur. There aren't many impressive methods and systems out there. In fact, the majority of products are rehashed versions of old stuff from 2012 that is far overcrowded. It's always SEO this, content that, FB ads this, affiliate marketing that. Don't you want something a little more fresh? Something that has very little competition, but massive payouts? Well, allow me to introduce a new system that pulls $500 sales to you. Without a website, without
Okay,
traffic.
so before we continue, so this must be newbie. Okay, so you can edit the script. Okay, so sometimes the dash or so if the voice is so fast, so you can add a period or add a comma. Okay, so this is newbie, so I will edit this one. So okay, so it must have a dots or okay, then import again.
How would you like to earn $100 to $500 sales without websites by pulling traffic? Will you be interested? You need to watch this short video. Hi, my name is Joey, from Smartpreneur. There aren't many impressive methods and systems out there. In fact, the majority of products are rehashed versions of old stuff from 2012 that is far overcrowded. It's always SEO this, content that, FB ads this, affiliate sales without
Okay,
website.
so maybe this one is okay now. So I double check it. So click the next. Then,
how would you like to earn $100 to $500?
okay, so just select this one. So your mouse pointer will become a cross pointer. So just hold this. So click this one, then hold and put it on this track 2. Then adjust it. So you can add track if you want. Okay, if you need to add other things or stuff. So I will put this one on the track 2. Okay, because the background of this guy. Okay, so I will put some videos or images. So let's add some video background. So click on the media library. So click on this video. Let's go to this background and let's add this one as a background. So hold and put this one there. So let's play.
How would you like to earn $100 to $500?
So you can add an images of a money. Okay, so let's add a media, then create a folder here. Okay, so review videos, then upload an image, the files. So you can upload all the files that you need and then open, then upload files. Maybe in a 1-minute video, so you can spend at least 30 minutes on creating this video versus creating a video like you're recording yourself, okay, your voice. So it takes time. So sometimes I'm creating a video almost 2 to 3 hours, okay, in just one video for 1 minute. So this one, so you can see time. Okay, so let's go back. Then I will adjust this one again on the track 1. So because I will add some images here on the track 2, so I will add this money. So I will select and hold and add on the track 2. Okay.
Would you like to earn $100 to $500 sales without websites by pulling traffic? Will you be?
Then you can resize these images.
Traffic, will you be interested?
Okay, so you can adjust this one. So just click the image, then click on the resize or move or properties or transition in, transition out. Okay, so let's resize this one. Then put this one here on the right side or the left side, so whatever you want. Okay, so you can add a transition. Let's go on transition in. So just speed or width left to width right to left. So let's check.
$500 sales without website. How would you like to earn $100 to $500 sales without websites by pulling traffic? Will you be interested?
Okay, then add, so you can add the title. Okay, this video, so you can go here, text animation. So this one, let's select this one, then edit this title. So I will copy the title here from the script. So I will put this earn $100 to 500 sales. Just only the summary. Okay, and then without websites, I'll put this one here, then click next. So we will add a new track because we will put this, so let's put 100 USD to, okay, good. So we will add this one here. So let's check.
Would you like to earn $100 to $500 sales without websites by pulling traffic? Will you be interested? You need to watch this short video. Hi, my name is...
Then after that you can add a lower third animation. So you can use this one, then edit this one, the name. So Joey, also Joey Walker. Okay, then tagline from Go Video Maker, from Smartpreneur. So this is the name of my channel. Okay, Smartpreneur. Then add one, so you can preview. Okay, so hold this one, then add here. So let's preview.
Interested? You need to watch this short video. Hi, my name is Joey, from Smartpreneur. There aren't many impressive methods and systems out there. In fact, the majority of products are rehashed versions of old stuff from 2012 that is far overcrowded.
So you can add again another images if you want. Okay, so let's add some images about social media. Okay, so we will put this one here. Then let's see.
The majority of products are rehashed. In fact, the majority of products are rehashed versions of old stuff from 2012 that is far overcrowded. It's always SEO.
So let's add some other stuff. So I will add that image, this one, and put here on the background.
Well, allow me to introduce newbie, a new system that pulls $500 that has very little competition.
Okay, so I will adjust this one, then create a transition again. So paid and another,
Efficient, but massive payouts.
then play it again.
Else to you. Without a website, without traffic. Plugins vault. Step number 3.
So you can add the video, so just upload it, okay? So you can zoom out or zoom in, okay?
Just click the link below on the description to access and start making $100 to $500.
Then I will add again a title, then save.
Be profitable. Grab your copy of Noob today with our exclusive bonuses that you can access inside the members area.
So that's it, okay? So I already finished the video, so I need to save it. So earn $100 to $500 sales commission. So copy this one, then click again save, then create. So the quality must be high, then the file name again. Now we are done, okay? So we already finished the rendering, so you need to click this one, the download, or you can click this play so that you can check the whole video, okay, before you download. If there's something wrong, so you can edit, okay?
How would you like to earn $100 to $500?
Okay, so it's already, so once you download, so you can now upload on your Facebook page, or you can now upload on your YouTube channel, okay, and create and start generating free traffic, okay? Was this helpful? If so, comment below. If you have any question, so you can ask below by commenting this video, or you can find me on Facebook, okay? Then message me so that I can help you. And also, I'm giving away some amazing bonuses if you buy this software on my link. Okay? I will give you my script, wherein you can use this on promoting your product or services. Okay, it's a fill in the blank script. Okay, then you can paste it on this software and you can create a 3D avatar video. Okay, makes sense? So thank you very much for watching my video. So that's all for now, and see you on my next video.